But what should you do when a program update fails? So throughout this guide, we will explore some solutions you can try when the Microsoft Defender update won't work. So the first thing you can do is disable any third-party antivirus programs. You can do it by simply right-clicking on the application from the taskbar, select Shield Controls, then select Disable until the next restart. You might also want to reset Windows Update components. Do it by opening Command Prompt as an admin, then type in the following commands one by one and hit Enter after each one to execute it. Once done, execute the following commands, and this will restart the services you just disabled earlier. Now afterwards, you can now close the command prompt and then check if the issue is resolved. Lastly, you can restart your Microsoft Defender service. You just have to open Services from your Windows, look for the Microsoft Defender Antivirus service, right-click on it, choose Properties, click the Stop option, wait for a few moments before selecting Start again. And now after the service is restarted, expand the drop-down menu for the startup type, then choose Automatic. After that, click Apply, then select OK to save the changes. And those are the following fixes if you have failed Microsoft Defender update on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.